Greetings, Ma'am Carissa Morano. My name is Leonard Allen De Hoya, and I'm here for the introduction of our finals group research project that is called Pet Grooming and Veterinary Clinic Management System. In here, we use components such as JLabel, JText field, JFrame, JOption pane, JMenu, and etc. All of those that we used here, you can see it in the PPTs that you have posted on Pinnacle. In this code, you can see about the pet registration form where you can input your pet name, type, breed, age, and owner details. You can also see the service selection form. It allows selection of multiple services. And you can also see here the appointment scheduler where you can select or input date and time of appointment. After that, you can also see the fee calculator based on our code, transaction log table, clear or reset button that resets all fields for the next transaction. In here, we can start the code right now.
Thank you, De Hoya. Now we will be moving on how the code actually looks like and at the background. Okay, we will start at importing a package, so the code will execute well in one application. Then we will import the necessities for the code to function as an application. That is including the Java out event queue, the Java swing, and the action listener and action event. In the public class, we will also iterate some variables that we will be needing, including the Java swing components such as the JFrame, JText field, and some JCombo boxes. Then, as well as the first variables, we will also iterate the needed components for the prices that we will provide for the customers when they need it for the services that the pet needed. Now, starting on to the public static void main, where they start off the code for them for it to work. We're starting it to the event queue invoker for later. Then moving on to TJ's part.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tyrone James, and greetings to everyone. And I'm here to show you how the function or the display, how to display or how to iterate each element. Now, let's focus on the frame first. Well, since this is given, first we will add a frame and a new JFrame, so it will actually iterate. We will set the size of this as what we can see from here. So an exit button, so we can actually exit from it, and the set layout null so that the size can be fixed. Now for the J menu bar, we will also iterate it and add a set. We will set the J menu bar itself. This also applies to the menu, the file menu, the menu item, and the transaction menu. Now for the view transaction menu item, as we can see here in the view transactions, this also applies to the new and the exit. This also applies also to the transaction as well. Now for the view transactions, we will be adding an action listener. So that's what we can see here. So when we click this, it will actually view the transactions. And the E itself, so that when we click it, it will actually respond, such as this. And for the action listener, we will be iterating an event or action event listener. Now for the About section, as what we can see from here, we'll also add an action event listener. We'll also play. We'll also display a J option pane, so that it will actually show the message on what we can see here. The system is created to help manage pet grooming and veterinary services. Within our simple system, this will navigate the user's need and get pet necessities. We'll also place an end so that it can be spaced out when we type it, such as at what we can see here, so it doesn't actually clutter onto each other in a one long line, as what it can represent from here. Now we'll be adding the J panel. Since we just only rename it to the registration panel or reg panel itself, it also applies to the pet registration panel, as we see here, pet registration form. That's what we can display from here. This also applies to the pet name, pet type, breed, age, and owner details. This also such as also is the name, contact number, and the set schedule, as it is still the J level but in a different variable name. Now for the J combo box, as what we can usually see here, the J combo box, we will be using this so that it can actually be applied from all of the elements as what we can see from here, so that even when we iterate something, it will iterate. When we iterate it, it will actually be updated as long as we use the J combo box itself. And now for the time itself, this also applies to it. The appointment minute, the appointment AM or PM. As well, we see here 15, 30, 45, and AM and PM. And that is all for the displaying or labeling of the Java Swing project of ours. That's all. Moving on to Mr. Corminal.
3, 2, 1. Thank you, TJ. Now we will be moving on to the next part, and dangal greetings as well again. For the next part, we will be discussing the J panels. This is the service selection panel where all of the group that is included for the services will be included here. That is included the first iteration that we discussed earlier, where the prices and the services are listed. Then moving on to the add action listener, for each time the expenses is being selected. And the remove button is for the selected cell can be emptied out for it to be edited. Next is the transaction table where the transactions has been recorded. It is composed with the JScroll pane, just in case there's a multiple transaction has been recorded. Now is the action listener for it to save the transaction, and the action listener for removing the selected transaction. Moving on to the private void reset field, where it is resetted for every components in the table. Then next is the private void calculate total expenses. This is where the services being calculated in total for each selected services that the customer chose. Next is the private void select transaction or saves transaction, where the variables that has been entered from earlier has been saved to the table. Next is the validation part, where if the owner, the pet name, the pet type, or the total bill is empty, then the schedule appointment will be empty as well. Including that is the error catch that we implemented, which shows the message dialog of fill all the necessary credentials before saving your transaction. Next is the add to table. Table model will add a row of the transaction that has been saved. Next is the private void remove transaction. As well from earlier, from removing the cell, this is specifically removing the whole transaction, including the owner name, the pet type, breed, age, contact, total bill, and schedule appointment. Moving on to display transaction, where all the transaction has been made, will show whenever it is clicked. Next is the private generate time option, where the schedule that they selected is finalized with their services. That's all, and thank you for listening.
So, Dangal greetings, everyone. So, good day. So, I was explaining the pet registration form, our code. So, here we can see the pet name, pet type, breed, age, and the owner details, name, contact number, set schedule, then the services. Bath and haircut, 600 pesos. Nail clipping, 250 pesos. Air cleaning, 300 pesos. Rabies vaccination, 500 pesos. Deworming, 400 pesos. No, so, ito po. So, bibigay po tayo ng example paano nag-work yung code namin. So, maglagay po tayo ng pet name. So, lalagay po natin TJ. Pet type, bulldog. Dog. So, ano bang, hindi, pet type pala, dog. Sorry, my fault. Then, breed, bulldog. Yan. Age, mga sabihin natin, 1 taon pa lang, 1 years old pa lang, 1 year old. So, ang pangalan ko ay Chris. Contact number ko ay 092978355571. Yan. So, ano ba mga gusto nating services? Gusto ko sa kasi di pa naliligo si TJ, so bath and haircut. Oo, ano pa ba? Deworming. Sama natin yung air cleaning. Then, kailan ba tayo magpa-set ng anong time ba? Sabihin natin 4:30 siyempre 2025 2 to 4 and 30. What time? So, in morning, 8 a.m. So, yan na. Then, isi-save na po natin. So, makikita natin doon sa total expenses na total siya. So, 1,300 po yung total. So, pag isi-save na po natin siya, ayan po yung lalabas. May lalabas po na show message dialog. So, already registered successfully. So, ito yung lalabas. So, pag in-okay natin siya, mapupunta po siya dito sa table natin. So, ngayon, magre-register ulit tayo. So, pag nag-register ulit tayo, same lang ganon. Sabi naman natin Siron, pet type, cat. Ano bang breed ng gusto niya? Ano ba? Siopaw. Ilang taon na ba siya? Sabihin natin 3 years old. Name ko ulit, Chris. Contact number, same lang. Invento na lang tayo, same lang din. So, ulit yun. Save na natin. Save lang din ng yan natin 8 a.m. And then, okay na yan. Then, save. Save po ulit siya. Nakita naman natin, dalawa na po yung nakalagay dyan. So, pet type ko, dog and cat. Nakita natin sa table, may iba-iba po yung components or variables. Owner name, pet type, breed, age, contact number, total, bill, and schedule. So, once na magsisave po tayo na wala tayong ini-input, so may may error po na lalabas na message na fill all the necessary credential before saving your transaction. So, ngayon naman, so pagre-remove naman po, so first papunta mo tayo sa transaction. Yan, view transactions. So, ayan po yung mga sinave natin kanina. So, ang i-remove natin dito si TJ. Yan, i-remove natin siya, then i-okay lang natin. Ayun. So, pag pumunta po ulit tayo sa transaction, makikita na lang po natin, ay, hindi na remove. Ay, wait lang, mali pala, sorry. Then, remove. Yan. Transaction, remove. So, successful po yung pag-remove natin. So, once naman na wala tayong pumunta sa transaction, tapos wala po tayong siniselect, then kinlik po natin yung remove. Ayan, may lalabas po ulit na message, show message na please select only one transaction to be removed. So, dito naman po sa ating huli, sa about, ayan po yung nakalagay sa about, sa show dialog message natin, this system is created to help manage pet grooming and veterinary services. Within our simple system, this will navigate the user needs and pet necessities. You can rate our system and give us any feedback to further improve our system. This system is created by CCS 103 student as a final project and designed to help manage pet grooming and veterinary services version 1. And year 2024 to 2025. So, ayan po yung mga code namin. So, yun lang po. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.